Welcome to Sooke Village. Tucked into a quiet residential neighborhood, this home offers both comfort and convenience. Step inside to a bright, open concept layout filled with natural light and vaulted ceilings. Enjoy a spacious living and dining area that flows seamlessly to your private balcony. It's the perfect spot for a morning coffee or unwinding at the end of the day. The modern kitchen features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a functional breakfast bar. The generous bedroom easily fits a king-size bed and offers great closet space. The bathroom is spacious with a clean, modern feel and plenty of storage. You'll also appreciate in-suite laundry, ample storage, and thoughtful design throughout. The attached garage adds extra convenience and flexibility. Experience easy, walkable living in one of Sooke's most convenient locations.